Wow, wasn't that impressive? Do you also wonder how this amazing scene was shot? The scene was captured by a technological marvel. It's called the drone. Still unsure what I'm speaking about? Well, watch this video to learn more. So gear up as we guide you through this educational tour called Drone, a technological marvel. Hello learners, my name is Dipanvita Behra and I welcome you all to the YouTube channel of School of Communications, XIM University. In this educational video, we will learn about drones. Now, as you know, in media, camera is an accessory for shooting and capturing. One such camera is the drone, otherwise known as the Unmanned Aerial Vehicles (UAVs). A drone is a flying robot that can be remotely controlled or flown autonomously operating using a software controller. A controller is used to communicate with the drone using radio waves such as your Wi-Fi, which helps to launch, navigate and land the aircraft. In order to fly a drone, one must have a power source such as a battery or a fuel. Well, that was the basic definition of a drone. Now, how does it help us as mass communication students to learn about a drone? Why should we learn it? Drones help us to capture compelling visuals and footage, enabling them to create dynamic and engaging content for various media platforms. By incorporating a drone technology into their skill set, students can gain a hands-on experience in aerial photography and videography, enhancing their storytelling abilities and staying relevant in the rapidly evolving field of multimedia communication. Such scenes were initially shot using helicopters, but then let us show you a new scene. This scene was required just a drone to shoot the aerial viewpoints, which means the production budget was reduced. No matter if the action scene costed double the amount of helicopter, but that's not the point. The point is that drones are really budget friendly when it comes to the use in aerial shot of different films, be it a feature or a commercial audiovisual. A camera consists of many features, but a flying camera which has double the features is a technological innovation for the young filmmakers and videographers to shoot different content. But how did such a technology come into existence? Drones were initially used for anti-aircraft budget practice, intelligence gathering and warfare. The earliest recorded use of a drone is that when it was unmanned aerial vehicle for war fighting back in July 1849, serving as a balloon carrier. That is the first official use of air power in naval aviation. The wars were captured through the drones. Drones have several uses in different professional fields that was required for daily life purposes. Drones with biological sensors fly to unsafe areas and take air or water quality readings. They can also check the presence of specific microorganisms in atmospheric elements. Drones can be used for search and rescue operations to help locate missing persons, to make it safer for rescue teams to do their job, and ultimately to help save lives of those in danger. Surveillance drones can be equipped with sophisticated imaging technology that provides the ability to obtain detailed photographs of terrain, people, homes, and even small objects. Drones regularly carry high-revolutionary cameras, infrared cameras, heat sensors, GPS sensors that detect movement, and automated licensed breeders. Weather drones are specifically developed drones that are used in weather data collection. They fly in lowest layer of the Earth's atmosphere, the so-called boundary layer. Firefighters use drones to survey an affected area, determine the extent of damage and how fast a fire spreading can be captured. Images taken provide details of the damage. Delivery drones are designed to improve efficiency while decreasing the manpower needed for the transportation of such goods. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like, comment and share on this video. Please subscribe to our channel, the School of Communications, for more such engaging and informative content. Happy learning!